everyone, my name is Tonfon. I am from season 4. Today, I am going to tell you about the shepherd boy. I think all of you know this story because it is one of the most popular Aesop stories. Now, welcome to my show. Once upon a time, there was once a young shepherd boy who tended his sheep at the foot of the mountain. He was bored, so he think about a plan. He rushed to the village, calling out, "Wolf, wolf, help me, help me!" All of the villagers came out with sticks. But the shepherd boy said, "Ha ha 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 ha! Why are you so silly? I was just kidding." So the villagers got angry and went back to their work. On the next day, the shepherd boy tried the same trick, and again the villagers came out to help. But shortly after this, the wolf actually came out from the forest and began to scare the sheep. The shepherd boy shouted, "Wolf, wolf, help me, help me!" But the villagers who had fooled twice before did not come to help the shepherd boy anymore. So all the shepherd boy's sheep were eaten by wolf. This story tells us that nobody trusts liars. Thank you.